Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the AiraBreeze air conditioning. So right off the bat, I'm just going to say that this product is a scam, guys. So please do not buy this product in the hopes of cooling an entire room, since there are a lot of products like these that claim to be a mini air conditioner or a portable air conditioner on the go, which is very impossible, since how can this cool an entire room with it being very small, since it is physically impossible for something so small like this to cool an entire room. However, will it get the power from? How will it cool the air? So it is basically impossible for it to do that. So as you can see, they're rated 1.2 out of 5 stars here on Trustpilot with 126 reviews. And before we read the reviews, this is exactly why I made this research guide, so you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit. So the research guide is the link down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's read some reviews here. So absolute shocker, order duplicated, warranty insurance added without my knowledge. So basically they just scammed this guy. I tried to cancel order, I placed error in the morning for blah 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 blah. Since this guy's also been scammed, ordered AirBreeze for my mom, so it was 58, but on my PayPal account 2 days later I had 58 plus 86 plus 50, and basically he's been scammed again. False advertisement, please do not buy from this company, charged twice. So basically this company is charging people twice, thrice, and even more. They're stealing your money, so please do not enter in your company or your information or your credit card information in the site, since you might as well be scammed. And yeah, that is basically it. Do not buy this product entirely. That is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.